Hi guys, today I'm going to show you my I bought a 100 rupees pack. Today I'm going to open it. Let's see what cards we write it. Sorry to take time. I'm going to show. It's Sunrisers Hyderabad power play. And it's Sunrisers Hyderabad power play. Wow! It's a David Warner goal. 101 batting. David Miller limited edition. 46 runs. What a card. And these are the 6 auction stars. What I got. Josh Butler 1. Shane Watson 2. Ashish Nehra 3. Stuart Binney 4. Sanju Samson 5. Ken Peterson 6. Now the normal cards I got is Brendan McCallum, Harbhajan Singh, David Miller, Lasith Malinga, Corey Anderson, Shikhar Dhawan, Bhuvaneshwar Kumar, A.B. de Villiers, Chris Gale, Ajinkya Rahane, Steve Smith, Ravichandran Ashwin, Karan Sharma. And the silvers I got is Virat Kohli, Harbhajan Singh, Lasith Malinga, and A.B. de Villiers. Thank you for watching, guys. Next time I'll come with another video of Vivo IPL 2016 Cricket Attacks cards. Bye bye. See you later.